Zimbabwe is blessed with natural resources, gold, diamonds, coal, methane gas, chrome, platinum, iron ore. And the sad reality is that we have absolutely nothing to show that we are a rich country. When I look at all of us, I'm supposed to be seeing diamonds glittering in our eyes. I'm supposed to be seeing gold glittering in our eyes. But what is it that we see? We see poverty, 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 and poverty. My government will seek to exploit these resources for the benefit of all of us through value addition and beneficiation. In 2013, Zimbabweans across the political divide passed a new constitution into law. Central to this constitution is the principle of devolution of power as the government model and a means of empowering elected representatives to make decisions on how best their communities can exploit resources in their localities. This constitutional provision must be implemented in the letter and in the spirit in which this constitution was written, based on the dictates of our constitution. It must be used as a key of unlocking the value of our natural resources in a way that benefits local communities. Timber in Lupane must benefit the people of Lupane first and then the nation.
Namai mujuru ndikutaurirei kuti zvamaita izvi maro vashumba nembama saka totokwinya vadikani. Ndatumwazve kuzotaura kuti zvinenge zvaakuda madzimai mberi. Ndikanzi ndikutendei madelegates eMDC-T nokutipa mutungamiri wechidzimai. Tinonzwa kudzirwa zvakanyanya. Vana baba musazvishora. Men of quality are not afraid of equality. Saka nokudero tinoti makorokoto.
So I want to thank you from the depth of my heart as the one leading institutions of women in the whole of the SADC region, that on behalf of all of us women, we want to assure you, when you put us in power, we put you in power. Because women, we give birth to all of you. Nobody would be here without us. Nobody would be here without us. So rest assured, you are very safe. In Khupe, you have a person who leads from the third space. That is the space of the we, not the space of the I. So thank you so much for what you've done, gentlemen. I'm very, very impressed. And actually, you look more manly than those wimps who are afraid of us strong women. Thank you.